How to export and import registry keys in Windows. The Windows registry is crucial for how your system and applications work. It holds every configuration detail that keeps your PC running smoothly. In this video, we'll walk through how to export and import registry keys in Windows so you can back up settings, replicate configurations, or recover quickly after a system change. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why exporting and importing keys matters. Registry keys store everything from user preferences to system-level options. Exporting them creates a reliable backup you can restore later, while importing lets you replicate those settings across multiple machines. This is especially useful for IT admins managing several endpoints or anyone customizing Windows setups for consistency. How to export and import keys using Registry Editor. First, open the Registry Editor by pressing Win+R, typing regedit, and hitting Enter. To export, navigate to the key you want to back up, like HKey, current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer. Right-click the key, choose Export, and save the file as a .reg file. To import, open the Registry Editor, then go to File, Import, select your saved file, and click Open to merge it back into the system. Command line and PowerShell alternatives. Next, you can automate the process using command line tools. To export, type reg export hkcu/software/myapp c:\backup/myapp.reg. To import, use reg import c:\backup/myapp.reg. Be sure to run command prompt as an administrator if you are exporting or importing system-level keys such as HKLM. For scripting or enterprise deployment, PowerShell works too. These methods make it simple to automate backups and configurations at scale. Important tips before you modify the registry. Always double-check your keys and back up your registry before importing. A single mistake can cause stability issues or overwrite critical values. Since importing a .reg file merges new values into the existing registry, it may overwrite current settings. Ensure files use proper formatting and only merge data from trusted sources. For more information, check out our official blog post on exporting and importing registry keys in Windows, linked in the description below.